Don't get me wrong, I'm a God-fearing Christian man. But if you were a religion, then damn, I don't know what I'd do. I might have to worship you, I might have to sing your praise, I might have to go to church, yeah, every single night and day. Yeah, I might have to hit my knees, 'cause you lay it on me like the truth. You love me like hallelujah. I don't know what I'd do. Yeah, I might have to worship you. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons is going to teach you guys how to play Worship You by Kane Brown. The song was requested by Ashton Bueno. So if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. Please hit like and subscribe so you'll get notified when I come up with new tutorials. And let me know if you have any questions and stuff as well. So we're going to start it. This song is in standard tuning, and you put a capo on the first fret. Okay, so what you're gonna do, I'm not gonna show you how to pick the intro because it's just gonna be, it's not a beginner one, all right? This video is for beginners. So I'm gonna show you how to do the chords here though, all right? So what you're gonna do is you can do G, but you're gonna use either G, all right? I'm gonna show you how to do these two different ways based on so that you can make a decision based on what's most comfortable for you. So you can do it this way. I prefer to do it this way. The reason being, you're only gonna use two chords for this song. You're gonna do G, and you're going to use C. So the transition from those is very easy. So for this G, you do pinky on the 3rd fret on the little E string, you do ring finger on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then you do middle finger, it goes on the 2nd fret, if you can see like that, on the A string. Okay, so for C, what you're gonna do is you're gonna move those two fingers down one set of strings. So you're gonna put ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, so if you want to play it this way, you're gonna do, don't get me wrong, I'm a God-fearing Christian man, but if you were a religion, then you go to C. Man, I don't know what I'd do. Yeah, I might have to worship you. Okay, so you're just gonna go back and forth from G to C. I'll show you the strumming pattern in a second. If you want to do the other G, all right, and a very easy way to do this so you don't have to switch over to that C is you're gonna do, all right, you're gonna put your pinky, 3rd fret on the little E string, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string, pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? So you do that one. All right, and then what you could do, instead of doing C, you can do C add 9. C add 9 meaning you leave your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? Then you put your middle finger on you just do C basically, but you're gonna leave your middle finger on the 2nd, you're gonna put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay, so just like that. So that's C add 9. So I think it sounds better if you do it this way though, and then you do the actual C, okay? But you can do either one of those ways, whichever one's easier for you. I just want to show you guys a couple super easy transitions. Okay, so now the strumming pattern for this song is gonna be down, up, 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 down. So you're gonna do that one strum where you do down, all right, that's gonna be louder. So you're gonna do down, up, 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 down. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do it. Now I'm gonna show you where you put the chords. All right, so for the intro, you're just gonna do G, you're gonna do down, up, 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 down, C, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, then you do G, after that G, so you're gonna do G, C, okay? So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna do the G before you say your kisses. Your kisses have a higher power. Okay, you're gonna keep doing that. What I would do is I would strum it softer, and I would also strike more of the lighter notes. Okay, like those. So you're gonna do. Your kisses have a higher power. Your body, baby, it's divine. So you do on divine is where you do C. Divine. Every time I see your smile. Then you're gonna stop after you say smile, smile. It's like I seen the light. Okay, then you're gonna go on light, you're gonna do G, light. Sleeping next to you is heaven, but you already know about that. You might wanna wanna glorify every part of you so bad. Okay, so on that is where you're gonna do C, and then you're gonna keep doing C for wanna glorify every part of you so bad. Don't get me wrong. Okay, then you go into the chorus, and you're gonna do on wrong is where you're gonna do G. All right, same strumming pattern for the chorus. Okay, you're gonna do wrong. Okay, wrong is G. Wrong. I'm a God-fearing Christian man, but if you were a religion, then okay. Before like then damn, you're gonna do C. Then damn, I don't know what I do. Yeah, I might have to worship you. You is G. You. I might have to sing your praise. I might have to go to church. Church is C. Church, yeah, every single night and day. Yeah, I might have to hit my knees. Okay, knees is G. Knees, cause you lay it on me like the truth. You love me like hallelujah. So on the hallelujah, Lou is where you're gonna do C. Hallelujah, I might have to worship you. Yeah, I might have to worship you. And after on that U, you're gonna switch back to G, and you're gonna do the lighter strumming, and you do the softer. I would mainly try and strum from D down. All right, like that. Okay, and that's how you play the whole song. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions about it or other song requests. And thanks for watching. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.